Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to check for duplicates in Google Sheet in just a minute. First, open your Google Sheet document and select the range of data you want to check for duplicates. This could be a column or multiple rows. Now go to the toolbar and click on Format. Then choose Conditional Formatting. This will open the formatting option on the right. Under Format cell, if select Custom Formula is. Now enter this formula, that is equals to COUNTIF open bracket A semicolon A comma space A1 close bracket less than 1. Replace A semicolon A with your specific range. Next, choose a color to highlight the duplicates. This will make the duplicate values stand out in your sheet. Click down and you'll see any duplicates in your selected range highlighted. You can now easily spot and manage them. Checking for duplicates helps keep your data clean and accurate, saving time when working with larger datasets. And that's it. Help check for duplicates in Google Sheets. So if this felt helpful, hit like, comment and subscribe for more tips.